This is kind of a random video, I know, but I thought I would share because I was filming for Patreon, and basically I filmed a little bit of my workout using this hip thrust machine, and I was telling everyone about it and how like it actually hurts. Like this band, this is the resistant band, and it goes like over your lap, and like one band by itself is like 45 pounds. So all in all, if you have all three bands on, it'll equal like 135 pounds. I've been glute training like on and off for the past maybe 2 years or so, and I can tell you, even doing the 45-pound, like it hurts. Your butt is gonna be like so sore. I think hip thrusts are like the best way, like if you want projection, like if you want your butt to like sit out. Like I've never got mine to where like I could set a cup on it, but seriously, it would be just like a bubble. But the point I was trying to get at, they have these on Amazon. And yeah, I just thought I would make a video telling you guys about it and showing you. Since I started, like we hit a goal on Patreon, which was, I think it was 15, like 10 or 15 Patreons. Then I would do 3 like lifestyle vlogs every week on top of the other skin vlogs that of course I'm gonna be doing, and tutorials and stuff like that. But anyways, so yeah, with those lifestyle vlogs, I'm gonna be showing like things that like I eat in a day, cooking, of course, like if I'm working out that day, you guys will see that, or just, you know, everything that happens like in a day. So I'll be doing like 3 of those a week. So I'm super excited. So yeah, exciting things going on Patreon. But I just wanted to tell you guys that like if you see these like on Instagram, that's where I saw it the first time. It actually does work. It's actually a really good workout. It hurts. And the cool thing about, I don't know where I put my band, but if like you wanted to make this even harder, you could put this band on around your thighs, or you could go get like I don't know, like a dumbbell, or maybe just like a weighted plate, and put that on your lap on top of this. So it's just like, there's so much you can do with these. But yeah, hip thrusts. They hurt, but like it works. And so yeah, I just thought I would like make a video like just letting you guys know that if you do see this on social media, it actually does work. And yeah, Amazon has it, which is awesome. Of course, like if you're trying to like grow your glutes, like while like working them out, doing like hip thrusts and stuff, and squats of course, and using like ankle weights and doing different like workouts like that, of course, like that's gonna help your butt. I've noticed that like if you do that without like getting in your protein, or without like getting your diet in a specific, I guess, enough carbs for your body weight plus enough protein for your body weight, because everyone's gonna be different. If you do it without worrying about your diet, then of course like it'll like raise your butt, and like it'll kind of like, you know, tighten it, more like basketballish. But like if you wanted like your butt to actually like get bigger, like for you to like grow some inches from your lower back to like your butt, usually it's like you have to also basically megadose protein. So while I do recommend buying things like this, if you're not going to commit to also doing the food portion of it, it's like of course your results aren't going to be that drastic. But if you feel like you have like a pancake butt or something, or if you feel like it's kind of like flat, then of course like working it out is going to help raise it and round it. But what actually makes it like bigger and really projects is like all about the food. It's kind of like how they say abs are made in the kitchen. Well, I feel like butts are also made in the kitchen along with working out. So it's like you really have to put those two together. Because I remember at one time, like I thought like just doing the workouts portion was gonna get me results, but after I figured out the food part. So if you guys have any questions, then just let me know. This thing like folds up really nicely, so like storing it was super easy. And yeah, I'm just surprised that it actually works, because how often do you see things like on Instagram and it's like workout stuff, and like it's not, I don't want to say it's not a scam, but like it's actually like legit. I would say this is just as good as the hip thrust machines that I use, like a Smith machine at the gym. Like it freaking hurts. It'll have like your legs shaking when you come down, like you'll like feel that burn. And oof, that's just after doing like maybe 3 sets of like 15.